So up front, you can see that the structural steel is going to be set for our mechanical penthouse, which is going right here. And then off of that, of course, is where our gym will extend off into our parking lot. And you can see that they've started to tear up what used to be our old front parking lot. So probably by the end of today, which is Wednesday, September 14th, we're going to see some new structures to our construction project. Okay, so at 7 this morning, they started pouring cement on our 13 classroom new addition. And look how far, they started in this back corner here, and look how far they've progressed. And it's only 9:10. It's really amazing. How quickly the cement is going in. Okay, so it is like 12 o'clock and all the cement is poured. You can see that they are leveling it out, which Miss Buckle would love if they would let her ride on that. But